public health advice.
In 2019, before the arrival of the pandemic, almost 3.5 million tourists visited Ireland from the UK. That was worth over €1 billion to the economy. So is today's announcement by An Taoiseach Leo Varadkar a severe blow to Irish tourism? Eoghan Corry, editor of Air and Travel magazine.
There are big expectations that when tourism comes back that Britain will lead the charge, and we do have almost that common travel arrangement as it stands, in that where they won't have to do a test on their return to Britain. What people were looking for in Irish tourism was the circumstances to allow an end to the fact that everybody coming into Ireland has to arrive at a PCR test and self-isolate, and today certainly seems to suggest there will be a delay on ending that.
Eoghan Corry ending that report from Cian McCormick.